Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to go through the week ahead analysis. We're going to take a look at the strength and weakness, see if there's any opportunities for us. Now, interesting thing on the strength and weakness side of things, we have the yen, which is in a potential reversal zone. It's been getting stronger recently, but we saw a kind of rebound in the stock market last week, which has seen the yen sell off again. So we could potentially look at a potential continuation of this yen sell-off in line with a bit of a reversal here on the strength and weakness table, but obviously we'd have to look for some changes in trend. The one I like actually is CAD yen. Despite this CAD weakness still in play, still like a potential move there, just in line with the reversal side of things. The dollar's been getting stronger again. However, the charts are looking a little bit like the dollar is getting weaker, and we'll have a little look at those in a moment. It's just the way the weekly charts are shaping up is suggesting actually that this short-term strength may not continue. So yeah, let's jump into a few charts. I'm going to start off with euro again. We've been bashing on about euro for a while now, and I still feel like there is a reversal to be had here. Just the way the price action is forming down at this area, you know, we're kind of trading within this sort of channel in here where the market is just kind of consolidating at a supporting zone. The previous support zone is just down here, or demand zone. We could argue and say that this is where the sort of demand came from. Prices in that area now are kind of slowing down into this point. So this actually suggests to me that we could get a little bit of upside to the market here, and I'm actually expecting a bit more of a move higher. If price can break out of this area, I'd expect some further upside in this market. Obviously, if price breaks below these swing lows and below this sort of 1730 area, I think we'll see some definite further downside to this market. But this consolidation coming into an area of support, usually we do see a reversal move, so that's what I'm going to be looking for there on euro. Going on to Aussie, and what I've looked at is the weekly time frame, and you can see here we have this kind of previous high in there. Price is kind of at that previous high, and we can see that we're kind of finding some support. Last week we had like a sort of long wick to the downside and a bit of a recovery, and that's actually looking to me like we could see a bit of reversal, especially if we break last week's high. So if we come in here and the high is 0.7407, I think if we get above that, that's going to be a good sign that price is going to potentially reverse here, and that we see some further upside to this market, potentially back up into this sort of level up here, around about 0.76. So that could be something on the cards here for Aussie. What you could be looking for is the change in trend on this daily time frame to actually cement that idea, because at the moment the daily trend is bearish, and if the 4 hour was to change cycle, we could argue that price is coming all the way back down into these previous swing lows just through there. So keep an eye on Aussie, but this could be a potential move to come, either a breakout to the upside, a break above 7407, or a move back down towards these previous structure lows. Moving on to pound then. We can see here that pound has come back into these previous lows as well, and we've got this nice long wick to the downside, again kind of suggesting that buyers are waiting down here, and that we're kind of seeing a close back above these lows, which does suggest again some upside. Looking at the daily time frame, we are in a daily downtrend, so if we were to see some kind of reversal here and see maybe a higher low coming into play and then a breakout of that high, pull back into and price form some bullish price action, we may actually see some longs on this. It's not in line with the sort of strength meter at the moment. Strength meter is actually saying that pound should be a bearish setup. It's just this weekly time frame area at support could offer a bit of a tricky sort of trading week to come, considering it's given us quite a few sort of mixed signals at the moment. Again, what you can look for is a breakdown on the 4 hour time frame. If you were to get that breakdown, could look for some continuation to the downside there. Like I said, if it forms a higher low when we start seeing some buyers coming back in around this area or around these lows, then you might want to sit on the sidelines, wait for that breakout and see if we do get any kind of sustained upside. CAD yen then, so finally what I like about this is that we came to this previous low area 86.40. We've bounced. It looks like a strong sort of bullish close. We know that a strong bullish close, we can see some fades on that as well, just because you know, the demand is down here and price can move down. Again, what's going to be key here, I think, is the 4-hour time frame. I think if the 4-hour changes trend and we see some downside, we see some lower lows and lower highs, then we could be traveling all the way back down to the lows. However, if that daily does start to produce a higher low, we could see a reversal in this market, but I think we need to see this weekly candlestick breakout first if we are going to be a buyer. So I hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is updated. Thanks for watching. I hope you all had a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon.